one thing I want you guys to understand today is that in order for you to start even buying anything, you got to start. And for most of us, we have not rolled the dice on ourselves yet. We rolled the dice on everybody else's opinion about us. We rolled the dice on everybody else's, how they feel about us, but you never rolled the dice on you. What do you think about you? Most importantly, what does God think about you?
Yeah.
Because he said you was made in his image and likeness. So when you do things outside of his image and likeness, he's like, I didn't make that. I didn't make you to lack. I didn't make you to have to worry about what the next person's doing. I didn't create you to worry about what you're going through. I created you to focus on where you're going to.
Right.
And so every time you get on this monopoly board of life, I need you to understand that number one, I got to get started.
Right.
The railroad don't look pretty. Ain't nothing cute about a railroad. Boardwalk look beautiful. But at the end of the day, that railroad is going to get you paid over and over and over again. Somebody say equity look good on you. So today, I want you guys, when you walk out these doors, I just want you to take the dice and roll for you. Roll for your children. Roll for your legacy. Because the only thing that's worse than being blind is having sight with no vision.
Come on.
Everybody got sight. But you know, the issue is a lot of you are wearing the wrong prescription. You're wearing, thank you, Holy Spirit. You are wearing the prescription of fear. You are wearing this prescription of not feeling good enough. You are wearing the prescription of thinking that because of what you know, that you think that you're deep. You're not deep because of what you know, you're deep because you remain a student so you can learn something else to take your company and your life and your legacy to a whole nother level. So it's not about focusing on just what you know, it's about focusing on what can I know to be able to go ahead and change the game. That's why we're in this room today. I'm pretty sure everybody wanted to get some property. I'm pretty sure everybody want to ride down the block with their kids and be like, yeah, you know daddy owned that, right? Yeah, you know mama owned that, right, boy? Yeah, you just know that that's for my grandbabies, right? Like, you just got to start speaking things that you know that's already yours. And so today they're going to give you the blueprint, they're going to give you the formula, but the formula and the blueprint ain't going to do nothing for you if you don't start. It ain't going to do nothing for you if you don't roll the dice on yourself. And I'm just thankful that the Holy Spirit said, I'm going to roll for you. Special education. Teachers told my mom I'll never graduate middle school or high school. Do you think we did both? Absolutely, because the Holy Spirit was betting on me. If the Holy Spirit's betting on me, then guess what? I'm always going to win. There's no losses. I don't lose when the Holy Spirit's on my squad. I don't lose when Christ said, yo, I created you to be fearfully and wonderfully made. I created you to go out here and go win and go dominate at such a level that nobody else can understand. And I want to let you know that everybody in here, the greatest property that you'll ever leave is the investment in your children. What's going on, kings and queens? It's your boy Willis Bless, and guess what, man? Atlanta, I'm telling you, we coming to you. Not only we coming to you, we bringing some hitters. Listen to me, we're gonna literally have a 3-day live event that's gonna show you, number one, how to get around community, because the community that you're around determines the currency that you have. Day 2, we're definitely gonna break down the spiritual development aspect and mental testicular fortitude that you need to be able to operate at a high level as an entrepreneur and a business owner. And most importantly, day 3, we get to work. We're gonna roll our sleeves up and we're gonna literally map out your businesses and take it to a whole nother level. So whether you're making 5 figures, you're gonna learn how to make 6 figures. If you're making 6 figures, you're gonna have to make 7 figures. If you're making 7 figures, you're gonna learn how to make 8 figures. I'm telling you, you do not wanna miss this. Get in the room, because the best room is the sauce room. Let's get it, let's grow. Click the link below. Let's be great, baby. Go watch my man Christ walking. Listen to me, he invested in people. What do you think y'all doing, the squad doing today? They're investing in you so you can go out here and invest in other people. And so the goal is not for you to just get one property. I want you to own the whole monopoly board. You talk about monopoly in real life. I want you to own as much property as you need to own. Matter of fact, after you get done with the property, go get the bank. After you done getting the bank, go get the hotels, get all the hotels. Listen to me, never settle. Always say to yourself, I want more because I'm created for more. Ain't nothing added to what God created. Nothing.
Here it is.
And so after you roll the dice, the next thing I need you to focus on is saying to yourself that I'm not going to be the same person that I am when I walked into this door today. Do yourself that favor. Because one thing that I know is that majority of individuals in this life, they're so quick to blame other people for what's going on in their life. And when my mom said that, I said, Mom, I love you. I know you spent your rent money, but at the end of the day, you took a shot. And I said to her, I said, yo, mom, like, how much money did you spend in the past 3 months? About 3,000.
That's you.
I said, and you don't even think you're worth enough to put $3,000 into you? I said, Mom, you know how to cook. Good gosh, you know how to cook. I said, Mom, you know how to cook. She said, Daddy, but you understand? I said, that's the problem. When you go into the casino, you are gambling, but here's the thing you need to understand, and that's the problem with most church folk as well. They want a miracle, not understanding that a miracle just means that you gain something without putting any effort.